NASDAQ this week has continued the bearish trend, and we can see the strong bearish candles has formed during this week. Pretty strong candles we can see has continued to form after this bearish breakout has happened on Monday, and then the price continued to fall down even more and more. After that, we can see the price has gone outside of this uptrend trend line. We can see it here, also making a breakout below this confluence of support, and then even falling even more down. Now we can see that the price has stopped adjusting between this currently acting as resistance and this support level here. So on the weekly time frame, this looks a pretty strong bearish trend that has been formed on the market. Now on the monthly time frame, it is also a bearish candle that's been formed, but we have 10 more days until this month ends, so we'll see how this candle closes. For now, we can see that the only support level is this one here around 16,800, and also the biggest one is 16,400. The best is to go to the lower time frames to see how this looks. What we can see here is this a great resistance level at 16,800. So this is the next support level that I'm expecting where the price could go. After that, we will see how the price behaves on the daily time frame. But what is also important to say is that the price has gone outside of this uptrend channel, which is currently canceling this one uptrend and also making a breakout on the downside. The daily time frame, it is much more clear to see how the price behaves. Now the price has formed this bearish breakout to the lower side, and I'm expecting the price will reach an area here at 16,850. So this is the final target where the price could stop, but we will see how this price level behaves as a support. Now in the past, we can see this price level has acted as a great resistance where the price could not easily make a breakout to the upper side for several days. We can see it here, and then when the price finally made the breakout, the price continued to rise in value. What we cannot see is how the price behaves as a support level. So this will be the first time the price reaching this area to see how the price behaves. Will be the great support, or there will be a very weak support where the price will fall down even more, reaching the next one, which is around 16,400, a very important level for the price on the weekly and also on the monthly time frame. So the next week I'm expecting the price will reach here, and then we'll see how the price behaves around this support level. If the price makes a breakout again to the low side, or the price returns back up going above, which is currently a very important level for the price to return on the bullish trend, is this one here. First one 17,300, but the final one as important one is 17,600. If that happens, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.